Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this list of app and for you we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.